Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to start a new topic on Django, which is our new project on Django, which is Django Ecommerce project. So let's see what it contains in this project and what you learn from this project. So let's get started and let's see some introduction about this project. Also, if you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel and please like the video. Now first, before starting the project, let's see what are the things which I am going to tell you. So first our project title, which is Super Coders Store. This is our project title. Now let's see some information about course. So finally I started the Django e-commerce project because lots of users comment and demand for Django e-commerce project. Now next is why I start this e-commerce project, because I already created many projects on Django like student management system, medical store management system, but why I am creating this project. So here are the reason. The reason is very simple. The e-commerce project cover everything about Django and clear all your doubts which you not learned yet and make you pro developer in Django if you follow each step of me and also try to learn what actually you are doing. Only copy and paste will not work. You have to understand what you are actually doing. Now this is my final word. If you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel. Please like the video because I see lots of users come to my channel and watch the video but they didn't subscribe. Here you can check 85% users are not going to subscribe my channel but they are watching the content and enjoying the content. So please support me by subscribing my channel and please like the video and also share the video. If you like the content, you can share with your friends and your colleagues. Now after all this discussion, let's get start our project information. So first let's see some introduction of project. So what I cover in this project? Well, I cover everything in this project from zero level to how to create project, from advanced level like how to work with Rails framework, analytics and much more things. Then after that, about project. So in this project of e-commerce, it includes categories, subcategories, products, different types of user like admin, merchant, user, support staff. Support staff is used for chatting like support chat, orders, analytics, company profit, merchant profit, then payment gateway like PayPal for international and Indian payment gateway Paytm, card, product, rating, feedback, customer support, stocks, and everything comes in this project. So you can understand everything about Django and complete knowledge of Django from this project. Now after this, let's see next step, which is modules for admin. So let's see all the modules for each part of user. So first let's see modules for admin. So here are our admin. It can add category, manage category, also manage subcategory like in category we add electronics, then in subcategory we can add subcategory like laptops, refrigerator, anything which comes in electronics which are in subcategory. Then admin can also manage the product, view the product and also reply the question answer when some users ask about the product questions. We can also reply it from admin panel or from merchant panel too. The next step is our next is manage customer. So admin can manage the customer, view the customer, block the customer. Also admin can manage the order like order cancellation which can process from admin panel at some point. So it can also be managed by admin. Next is manage merchant, like adding the merchant, approving the merchant. So these are all steps taken by admin panel for merchant. Then next is manage staff, like adding support staff for chatting to customers to merchant. So these are all the staff which we add from admin panel. Then manage feedback. So admin can reply any feedback message of customer or merchant. Then last is manage notification. So admin can set any notification to user like promotions, offers, all such things. Admin can send from admin panel to users customer. Now next module is our merchant. So here is our merchant. It can manage products, manage product stocks, manage customers orders like approving the order, delivering the order. Merchant can also see the product analytics like which products performing very well, how much the profit in product. So all these things are come in product analytics. Then feedback module. So here merchant can share some feedback to admin panel also, and also manage customer order like changing the delivery status of the order. Means suppose that when you send the order for delivering, and merchant can change the delivery status of orders like where he reached the order, where we reached the parcel. So all these things merchant can do from merchant panel. Then next is support chat. So here in support chat, admin can chat with our staff and manage profit. So admin can see the profits, loss of amounts from admin panel. Now next is module for customer. So here in customer module, customer can view the products, order the products, and ask the question. Means customer see any product and want to ask some question, so he can also ask the question for products. Then payment module, so process the payment of orders. After that, order status, he can see the order status where the parcel is currently. So he can see current status of your parcel and order. After the order rating, when order delivered, he can rate the products, he can rate the order, and he can rate the products. Like product is damaged, product is very good. So he can rate using product rating. And also he can send feedback message to our admin. And next is support chat. So here in support chat, he can use support chat to ask to our admin or staff for any support like any order damage and cancellation of order. So he can do from support chat. Now next is module for support staff. So here is support staff. It can view the products, manage customer order like order cancellation. He can request the cancellation request of any order from customer. Live chat for customer, so he can chat with customer. Then live chat from merchant, so he can also chat with merchant. So all these things come from staff. So in some point staff will not able to solve the issue, so he can raise the issue and admin will solve the issue. So that's all for modules. So these are all the modules. If you have any question, you can ask and do comment. If you want any extra module, you can do comment and ask for modules. So I can add the modules also, because this is the beginning of project. So if you have any modules, I will also add it. So I will also add it. Now from next part, I am going to start a coding part. And also remember this again, if you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel and please like the video. So from next tutorial, I will start the coding part. So being with us.